In this media, you will learn about the principle and operation of induction stove. The induction stove consists of a winding made of metallic wire, exhaust fan, ceramic plate, cooking vessel, control panel, and supply cord. The ceramic plate serves as a partition between the coil and the cooking vessel. The cooking vessel should be made of magnetic materials like iron, steel, and so on. There is a touchscreen type onto which the control panel is placed. The control panel contains on-off operation switch and some extra buttons like warm, cool, temperature display, and so on. The exhaust fan sends out the hot air from inside the induction stove. Now, you will see the working principle of induction stove. Induction stove works on the principle of induction heating. According to this principle, an alternating current is made to flow through a winding. This current creates a strong magnetic field. This electromagnetic field penetrates through the ceramic plate and cuts the bottom of the vessel. This process generates a circulating current in the bottom of the vessel. This circulating current develops heat in the bottom side of the vessel, which in turn heats the cooking ingredients. The heat is not scattered anywhere in the ceramic plate surface except the bottom of the vessel. This feature distinguishes induction stove from other types of stoves, like gas stove or electric stove. You have studied the operation of induction stove. In this media, you will learn how to troubleshoot sandwich toaster. Sandwich toaster is a movable joint two-phase mechanism. The working principle of sandwich toaster is similar to an automatic iron box. In a sandwich toaster, a non-stick heating plate is fixed on each face of toaster mechanism. A heating coil is fixed on back of each non-stick heating plate. When power supply is on, the plates are heated by heating coils. Assume the sandwich toaster does not show any sign of working. To troubleshoot the toaster, dismantle the parts with proper screwdriver and tools. Then, check the cable, heating coil, and thermostat as per the procedure we did in automatic iron box media. Replace the faulty element. Assemble the parts in sequence as shown in the media. Check the proper function. Now you have learned how to troubleshoot the sandwich toaster. In this exercise, you will learn how to troubleshoot problems in an automatic iron. Dismantle the parts in sequence as shown in the media. Check the continuity of each core of the power cable using multimeter. Check the insulation resistance between the three cores of cable using Megger. If the insulation is weak, change the power cable. If the power cable is okay, check the continuity of the heating element using multimeter. If the multimeter shows infinite resistance, it indicates a defective heating element. Replace the heating element. Using multimeter, check the continuity of thermostat. It should show continuity since it is in room temperature. If the multimeter shows infinite resistance, it indicates the thermostat is defective. Replace the thermostat. Assemble the parts in sequence as shown in the media. Check the insulation between the body and supply terminals in the iron box. If the insulation is good, connect the supply cable with the corresponding terminals. Test the iron for proper functioning by giving supply. Thus, you have learned how to troubleshoot and repair an automatic iron box.